Welcome back, my friends. Today we have a data entry non-phone work from home job lead. This is in the healthcare field, but real quickly before we get into all the juicy details, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay. I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you and share them on a daily basis, sometimes multiple times a day. So make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. As always, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below, so you can get those applications in. Today's job lead is from the company WPS Health Solutions. Now, they're a nonprofit health insurer based out of Wisconsin. They have been around for 75 years. They're proud to be a military and veteran-ready insurance company, and they are looking for a data entry specialist to work remote. Now, on this sidebar where it says Madison, Wisconsin, if you hit 21 more, they have a list of states that they currently are hiring in. Also, one thing to note real quickly, they will mention under qualifications, must live in the vicinity of Madison, Wisconsin campus location, but that is not true. If you come on down, they say this role is open to remote in the following states, and they do list the states. Those are Arizona, Colorado, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, Nebraska, New Jersey, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, South Carolina, South Dakota, Texas, Virginia, and Wisconsin. So if you're in one of those states and are interested, they are basically looking for someone to review documents that have missing or incorrect information and confirm that those corrections are accurate. You'll edit fields that are missing or incorrect with the correct information. Now, they don't require a college degree. They're looking for someone who has a high school diploma, someone who knows how to use a computer, and someone who's a U.S. citizen that lives in one of those states. You also have to be good at working independently, working from home, and have strong typing skills. Now, if you fit those qualifications, they have 3 different positions open for data entry, so they are hiring multiple people for this role. The anticipated start date is January 30th, so they will be getting through interviews and all pretty quickly because they want you to start in the next 30 days. The starting rate of pay is anywhere from $15 an hour to $17 an hour, and of course, after 9 months of being in the role, you have the opportunity for higher pay. Now, they also pay for training. Training is also done remotely, virtually from home. You need to be available Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. for 4 weeks for training. And then after that, you'll be able to pick an 8-hour shift anywhere from 6 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. or you can choose a split shift during these hours, so you actually get to set your own hours after the training. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.